The AutoXpert welcomes you back to another deep dive review. And today we're exploring a commercial vehicle that has become a backbone for contractors, delivery fleets, mobile businesses, and outdoor adventurers. Yes, I'm talking about the all-new 2026 Ram ProMaster, a van engineered to elevate practicality, performance, and technology to a whole new level. If you've been following the evolution of cargo and work vans, you already know that Ram's ProMaster lineup has always been a strong contender thanks to its front-wheel drive layout, incredible maneuverability, and massive cargo capacity. But for 2026, Ram has taken things further. Delivering a van that doesn't just aim to keep up with competitors, it aims to redefine what professionals expect from a full-size commercial van. In this detailed review, we'll break down its design updates, performance improvements, interior functionality, new tech features, safety upgrades, and why the 2026 Ram ProMaster could be the smartest investment for business owners and fleet managers in the coming year. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ram ProMaster brings a noticeably stronger and more modern presence. The front fascia has been refined with sleeker LED headlights, a bolder grille, and improved aerodynamics that help with both fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Ram continues to offer multiple roof heights, wheelbase options, and body lengths, allowing buyers to configure the ProMaster exactly the way their business demands. One of its standout features remains the class-leading turning radius, which makes this huge van surprisingly easy to maneuver in crowded cities and tight delivery zones. Whether used for courier services, heavy cargo transport, or mobile workshops, the new ProMaster's design reflects durability and ease of use above everything else. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram ProMaster continues to deliver reliable power, now with an updated powertrain tuned for better low-end torque and smoother acceleration. The upgraded 3.6-liter V6 engine is paired with a refined automatic transmission, providing consistent strength even under heavy loads. Ram is also focusing heavily on future-ready solutions, which means improved efficiency and better heat management to support long business hours and high-demand environments. While the gasoline option remains the standard, Ram is rumored to expand alternative energy solutions soon, making the ProMaster an even more attractive choice for businesses trying to cut operational costs. Inside, the 2026 ProMaster shines as a practical workspace on wheels. Ram has introduced a cleaner, more refined dashboard design featuring a larger touchscreen, updated Uconnect software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and better organized physical controls. The seating is more comfortable, especially for drivers who spend hours behind the wheel every day. Storage options are everywhere: overhead shelves, deep door pockets, console bins, and customizable cargo layout configurations. For businesses that rely heavily on organization, Ram offers factory-installed cargo partitions, shelving systems, and tie-down upgrades, ensuring that the van can handle everything from plumbing tools to delivery parcels with maximum stability and safety. Plus, the walk-through cabin makes it incredibly convenient for delivery drivers who are constantly in and out. Throughout the day, technology and safety take another leap forward in the 2026 model. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking are now available, turning this work van into a confidence-boosting partner that helps reduce accidents and fatigue. Businesses love these upgrades because fewer incidents mean lower operational risks and better long-term cost savings. The ProMaster also offers advanced telematics for fleet tracking, driver monitoring, and real-time diagnostics, vital tools for companies that need to manage multiple vehicles efficiently. Overall, the 2026 Ram ProMaster stands out as a dependable, customizable, and future-ready workhorse. Whether you're an independent contractor building your business, a fleet manager looking for reliable vehicles, or someone planning to convert this into a mobile home or camper van, the new ProMaster is flexible enough to meet every need. Ram has clearly focused on real-world usability, lower maintenance, improved technology, and enhanced safety to ensure this van continues to be one of the best in its segment. If you're considering buying a new commercial van in 2026, the Ram ProMaster deserves to be at the top of your list. This has been the AutoXpert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of upcoming vehicles.